NKC Art.
Kindergarten friends, this is Mrs. Greathouse from Meadowbrook Elementary. This week we're going to look at one of my favorite artists. His name is Wayne Thiebaud, and he makes amazing pictures of desserts, sandwiches, gumball machines. We're going to make a gumball machine, and I'm going to show you how to do it on my sketchbook. We're going to have so much fun.
Hey boys and girls, we're going to open our sketchbook, okay? We're going to open our sketchbook. I would get a black Sharpie, okay? Because I think that's the easiest, to get a black Sharpie. And I'm going to start to draw the top of my gumball machine. If you make any mistakes, you can always go on the back button. And there's a tab that makes your lines really straight. It's kind of like a swirly line at the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and make the base of my gumball machine. And then there you see it. And then I'm going to go ahead, I didn't like that. I'm going to back button that and redo it again. Okay, and I'm going to draw it again. And I'm going to make sure everything connects because I'm going to paint bucket my gumball machine. So I want to make sure every line connects. And then you can think about like how much you want to charge for your gumballs, and where's the change going to go? So I'm going to make a little slot for that. Okay, and then just make sure, if you don't like something, you can always use the back button. I'm going to make sure my lines connect. And then I'm going to charge 5 cents for each gumball. Oh, I don't know if I like the way I drew my 5. So I'm going to go back, redo it. It might take me just a couple times to get it the way I want it. And then I'm going to go ahead and start to think about, I made a little mistake there and I just undid it. There is a circle shape. I'm going to push the circle shape at the top and I'm going to make lots and lots of different circles. You can make different size circles. You can make some smaller, some bigger, and you're going to put them inside your gumball machine. Okay, so I'm putting them inside my gumball machine and just stacking them up there. And you can make a whole lot more than I did. I'm just making it kind of fast for you guys. And then after I do that, I'm going to paint bucket my gumballs in my gumball machine. Okay, so I'm going to go to my paint bucket tool. And my paint bucket tool is going to fill all those circles in. Okay, so right when I'm done, I go to my paint bucket and I kind of think about what color I want my gumball machine to be, what colors I want my gumballs to be. So I'm going to go and think about that as I fill it all in. You want your gumball machine to be very, very full. And then I'm going to go and change my colors. I can either use my Copic colors or I can use my color wheel. And I'm going to start to fill it in with different colors. And I want them to be bright colors, fun gumball colors. So maybe some purples, maybe some pinks. Maybe I want maybe some reds or greens. But you want to kind of mix it up a little bit. So lots and lots of colors for your gumballs, okay? I want to keep going. I want to make it really fun and colorful. And then after I color my gumball machine, I kind of have to think about what color I want for my gumball machine. So I colored the gumballs. Now what color do I want for my gumball machine? So after I finish with my last ones, I'm going to think about that. I just need to redo that. I made a little mistake there. And then I go back up and kind of think about, I think I want it maybe red because that's kind of traditional. And so, I've got to undo. I accidentally painted outside of my lines. I need to connect my black lines again because see, I missed a part right there. I need to fill it in again. And then I'm going to go back out and I'm going to try to paint bucket again. So I just want to make sure anytime I make a mistake, I just go and use that back button. Oh, I did it again. Got to take my Sharpie again. Got to zoom in and look at what my mistake is. And I see that there's a line that has not connected. I'm just going to go over all my lines again to make sure they're connecting. And then once they're connecting, then I can go ahead and I can color the rest of my gumball machine. I can paint bucket it. And then I can go ahead and think about the background too. I probably want to do something a little bit opposite on the background. So I've got a lot of warm colors like reds and got, some pink. I probably want to do a cool color in the background. So I'm going to do more of like a green color, I think. Well, at first I was like purple might be fun, but maybe green. So I'm just going through and I'm going to go ahead and, I don't know, like maybe a light green. I'm going to paint bucket it and that's it. You guys are going to do awesome.